everybody, welcome back. I've been, now that the weather's getting nicer, I've been doing more out at the forge here. Got the anvil set up, got a hand blower rigged up for the coal forge instead of the blow dryer I used to use, which, oh my gosh, I love it. I love the hand crank. But now I've been doing a little more with the railroad spikes, because I took I always had trouble holding them, because I didn't have tongs big enough. So I took an old pair of horse snips and basically just cut a little V into them, and these work great for holding the spikes. So I've been doing more with the railroad spikes. I'm hoping here in the next couple of weeks to get a video out. I've been doing slingshots with them, and oh, they're awesome. They're fun. My oldest son loves them. But I like that I put a twist in the spike, and for little stuff, just a crescent wrench has been working fine for twisting, but it doesn't really cut it very well with the railroad spikes. So I'm gonna take the an old pliers here and a chunk of stock, and we're gonna see if we can't make a twisting wrench. So I just need to clean up some of the metal on both of these. We'll weld them together like that and see how it goes. I've never tried recording welding before, so I hope we don't fry the camera on my phone. We'll see. If it does, this never happened. I'm going to take these over to the grinder. We'll clean them up. Alright, so we're just going to use the disc on the grinder here just to clean this up to some bare steel so it welds a little nicer. Nice clean steel. Do the same thing here. And some more nice clean steel. All right, here we go. Here's to hoping I don't fry the camera. Or blow a circuit. Well, we're tacked in place. Camera's still recording. It's a good sign. Let me clean some of this off, and let's see if we can weld it the rest of the way. I've been asked a few times by people I know, people I work with. They said, "Oh, can you weld?" I said, "Well, tell you what, I can make two pieces of metal stick together, as long as you don't want them to be pretty." And this is certainly a fine example of that. I think they'll be well stuck, but they ain't gonna be pretty. But we are solid. Turn off the welder. There we go. Not pretty. In fact, I maybe should fill this end in a little more, but you know what? It'll be fine. Not pretty, but I think I got myself a twisting wrench. I suppose we should probably try it. Forge is hot. I've had a railroad spike in there. It is getting nice and red hot. Let's see if these twisters will twist. All right. Here goes nothing. Hot steel coming through. Okay. Okay. Oh. Whoop. Beautiful. There. By golly, they work better than I could have hoped. That was perfect. Woo. Red railroad spikes are hot. Clean it up. I love it. Ha! It's hot though. Keep missing. There we go. Quick, easy, clearly effective. That was fun. I might do that again. Well, there you go. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. Those welds may not be pretty, but they held and they twisted. And I don't foresee myself twisting anything too much thicker than that in the near future. So if I need a bigger one, I'll make a bigger one. But for now, I've got a twisting wrench. And it works. And I already have an idea for what I'm going to do with these spikes that I twisted. So stay tuned. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I know I sure had fun in the process. If you enjoyed it, or you found it useful, or you found it informational, or just want to watch me make a fool out of myself in the future, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell if you want notifications. If you have any ideas or feedback or responses for me, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to support and help me out here, there's a link somewhere here to my Etsy shop. Take a look at what I've got. There's plenty of stuff there. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Cheers.